Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my half up top knot. It's really easy to do, so if you're interested in seeing how I do this, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just starting out with straight hair today. Usually I like to do this hairstyle with some waves in it, but I'm just taking the top section here and just giving it a light tease to give it a little bit more volume and texture. And once I'm done doing that, I will just smooth it out with the comb without combing all the way through it. And then I'm just taking one of these regular black elastic bands. So I start by sectioning off my hair around my temple area, and I take it in a triangle section back. You can grab as much or as little hair as you would like. It just depends on how much hair you prefer to have down on the sides. So now just taking that hair elastic, I'm going to tie it around my hair, and I'm not going to bring my hair all the way through. I'm going to leave a small loop there and then leave that little section of hair facing downward. From here, just like I do with any regular bun, I just kind of pull at it, loosen it up to give it a little bit of volume in the front up there. Then I just kind of spin it around, and I will take some bobby pins and pin it in place. Just like with any messy bun, this look comes out different each time. So I'm going to finish up here, show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to do a repeat of it with a little bit less hair pulled up and show you the difference. So again, just taking you through the same process, I am speeding this up a little bit quicker, and as you can tell, I took a little bit less hair on the top. Then for my little tiny flyaways on either side of my head, I will just go ahead and take some water and or hairspray and just smooth those downward. And here's the completed look. This is the look with not as much hair up. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.